Well, as I'm recording this video, today is tax day, April 18th. So hopefully you've had a chance to file or extend your taxes and are not working feverishly to get them done at the last minute. Hi, I'm Jamie French with Advent Partners and wanted to do three things quickly today: give you a quick tax tip, give you a quick market update, and then give you an invitation. So first, a tax tip. Now that you filed your taxes, hopefully, it's a great opportunity to evaluate how that panned out for 2022 and make any necessary adjustments for 2023. Several areas that you can look at. The first one would be withholding. I often hear people say, I got a huge tax refund, or my employer didn't withhold enough. You have control over that, and so it's a good time to evaluate how much you're having withheld from your paycheck. Or if you're retired or you're a business owner, looking at the tax estimates that you're making on a quarterly basis and making any adjustments there. You can also look at things like your qualified retirement plan contributions. How is that impacting your taxes? Are you being as efficient as possible with that? Or if you're in retirement and you're taking distributions, understanding how that's impacting your taxes and evaluating that. Now is a good time to do that. If you're self-employed or you're a business owner, looking at things like the self-employed health insurance deduction, or making sure you're maximizing the qualified business income deduction. Those are all great things to review. If you want to take a look at that, call us to schedule something or talk to your CPA or both. We'd be happy to help with that. So that's your tax tip. Second, let's talk about the market briefly. I'm grateful that after a dismal 2022, we've had some positive returns in the market year to date. Currently up and the S&P 500 over 8% year to date. International markets are up over 11%. Emerging markets are up over 5%, and the bond market is up around 3%. So we're grateful for that. We had a great January, and then through February and March, we kind of gave back a lot of those gains, and in mid-March we were back basically at break even. But since then, we've had some additional growth, and like I said, up over 8%, depending on the day, year to date. So obviously, we've had a lot of volatility. We expect there to continue to be volatility with the Fed dealing with inflation and interest rates and banking issues. That volatility will continue. But I wanted to give you a quick reminder that volatility does not mean it's a bad market. Some of the best years in the stock market have been the most volatile. And in fact, on average, the market drops 14% sometime during the year in any given year. That's the average. So stick to a disciplined strategy and talk to us if you think it's a good time to evaluate that and make adjustments. So that's your market update. Lastly, I want to give you an invitation. If you'd like to get a little more detail on the markets and what's going on in the economy than what we can provide in these short weekly videos, then we invite you to come to our economic update. We're holding two of those, one on May 2nd in Camp Hill, one on May 3rd in Gettysburg. Both of those are at 8 a.m. with breakfast, and we'll do a little deeper dive on the markets. So if you'd be interested in that and think that would be helpful, we encourage you to attend. You can call our office to register for that, or you can go to our website at www.adventpartnersfp.com, find the events page, and you can register for those. We think you'll find them very helpful, and we'll do a little deeper dive. Thanks for your time. Hope this was helpful, and have a great week.